Hi guys, welcome to a new video back on the channel. Here we are back, and this time we are reviewing the Asrock Phantom Gaming X870E Nova Wi-Fi. This is an AMD board. I am upgrading from the B650 live mixer, as I have done as well. That is in my main rig. Originally I did it with the Z790 board for my editing machine, but this is just going to be a video on unboxing, and also we're going to be doing as well a build video where I'm going to be basically just talking through you guys on why I'm going to be upgrading this board to that one. But anyways, let's just get right into this, shall we? So we see on the back here, it is quite a heavier board. We got 5 M.2s. It's got more. It's got dual USB 4 Type Cs, which are for display output as well. It comes with 5 gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 7 included, as this is a Wi-Fi board. But let's just get right open. Okay, so here is your Wi-Fi antenna here as well. That comes included. Just put that box there, shall we? Okay, as well, just more zoom that to that board there. There we go. Here we have the motherboard itself. Under here we got more of accessories. Here's the board in general. Let's get this out of the packaging. Okay, so here we have the board in all of its glory. Got one M.2 slot here. They also have the easy release feature as well. You also have one M.2 slot there, as you can see. We'll also have a few others. It is like a see-through kind of theme. You also have this design on the back, which is pretty cool. Mounting plate. It's got a built-on I/O shield. You have the 5 gigabit LAN. We have the USB ports, quite a lot. Wi-Fi. It also has a clear CMOS button and a BIOS flashback. It comes with a HDMI. Some boards come with DisplayPort connections, but anyways, for the system with my system, I won't be using the integrated graphics of my CPU, which you can do on certain CPUs. Then you got your audio, and obviously your inputs and your outputs as well. Here we have as well, we've got some SATA data cables as well. So that's 4, which makes sense for it. We also have this ARGB splitter. Fairly good if you've got those kind of builds where you're going to be using a lot of RGB. I don't really have much RGB in my system. Not really keen on it, if I'm being honest. We also have some spare, I think these are just some 2-pin connections that go onto the board. For example, like the power switch and everything like that. Also, we have the manual. Well, we have a nice little Phantom Gaming sticker. And we've also got the installation guide. That you can also find online on the manufacturer's website, but you mainly will have them all included. As well, you also get a Phantom Gaming keycap as well. So overall, this has been the unboxing of the Asrock Phantom Gaming X870E Nova Wi-Fi. I think personally it's a brilliant board with all the functionality that you would need. This is more of the higher end board from Asrock, but you do tend to see more PCIe lanes in bandwidth, which is for what you need for more connections onto the board, like M.2s, USBs, and also you also have an error code on the board, so say if you're having some issues with it not booting up, that can tell you the codes right there, and you can check them on the manufacturer's website. But I'm going to leave this video here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this unboxing, and we'll be back when we're going to be doing a video of this board getting put into the new case and with the old board and explaining why. I'll catch you guys then. Adios.